Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dada Rafiu Adekunle from Klacify Nigeria Limited. Today, I'll be taking us through how to add students to our Klacify mobile app. To add students to your Klacify mobile app, what you are going to do after launching your mobile app, this is the first interface you are going to have, and you ensure. If you look at below the Klacify, you have My School, Explore, and Class Update. You ensure you pick My School. Thereafter, you now click the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. You click on School Portal. Once you get to School Portal, you now click on where you have Student List. Click on Student List. From here, under the student, in front of student list, you can see the plus sign, you can see the search icon, and you can see three dots. But let's start with the plus sign. The plus sign is what you are going to use to add students to your class. But let's start with, you click on where you have basic 4 under the student list. If you click on that, you are going to pick the class you want to add students to. Let's say I want to add students to basic 1. You can see no student found in this class for this session. Now to add students to this class, you now click on the plus sign. Now the first thing is where you have tap to add student photo, optional. Here you can add photo of your student. You click on it. You have two options. Either you take camera or gallery. Let's say you want to pick the image of the student from the gallery. Let me just pick this as the student image. Once you are okay, you now click crop at the top right corner of the screen. You can see the image of the child now. You add the name of the child. Let's say the first name is Lawal and the next one is Ahmad. That is the name of the child. Admission number. Let's say the admission number is ADM/001. And the class, where you have class, you click on it to select the appropriate class, basic 1. Thereafter, arms. In your school, if you have different arms, this child is here. Where you have view more options, you click on it. You can see parent name, parent phone number, parent email address, contact address. You can fill all this if you so desire. And here you have select sex. If the child is a male or female, you select. This child in question is a male. Once you are done with that, you now click on the check sign. That is the mark sign at the top right corner of the screen to add the student account created successfully. Now this is the child we just added to the class. You can see this is the name of the child. Lawal Ahmad is in basic 1 and the arm is Morobo. That is how to add students to your school. There are other things you can do. Let's say you now have more students in this class. For example, you can still do some other functions. If you click on this child name now, you can see view profile. This is this child. If you want to check the attendance of this child, this attendance is only available if you are using Klacify ID card. There is a special ID card provided by Klacify that you can use to take attendance of the pupils or students in the morning and as well in the afternoon. Now, if you want to check the attendance, you just come here, you click on attendance to check the attendance. But this can only work if you are using Klacify ID cards. DI, we call it DI ID card. Now, if you want to check the results, you click on check results. No end of term results found yet. It means we've not added any results of this child. Thereafter, let's go back. That is, if you click on it again, you can say update photo. That is, if you have not updated the photo before, you can just update the photo. View ID card. This is the Klacify generated ID card for this child. You can see Al Mumtaz Academy, Lawal Ahmad. If you have the image of the child, it will be here. And this is the front. This barcode, QR code, is what you are going to use to sign in, to clock in and clock out the child in the morning or in the afternoon. Once you clock in this child with this QR code, the parent of this child will receive notification immediately that his or her child is already in school. And if you use it to clock out the child in the afternoon, the parent will also receive notification that his or her child has just left school. That is the essence of this Klacify ID card. This is the back of the ID card. You can see it. You see the ID card has front and it also has back. That is ID card. If you also click on this name, you see edit profile. If you want to edit the profile of the child, maybe there's need for you to add something or delete something. That is how to edit the profile. Still, if you click on the name of the child, you can see delete students. Maybe the student is no more a student in your school. Just click on delete to delete the child from your school portal. That is one part. That is one part on how to add students to your class. I will continue in the subsequent class.